how to remove or take out the drawers for the Liebherr fridge or freezer. So here I have the Liebherr freezer. Now to pull out the drawers, you can just drag it out like this. So you can see the rails will come out. And to take out the whole drawers, simply you want to lift at the back up like this and take it out. So you can see that's how you can remove it out of the place. Now if you got food in here, it tends to push this down. So if you have food with the weight in here, and when you drag it out, you won't be able to move it out. So you can see here, it is stuck right there. So you need to lift it up like this and then pull out. And when you push it back in, and that's it. So that's how you can remove the drawers for Liebherr freezer or fridge. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.